Kuihora kwa ndia citiganite thiini wa gitaro kia Rift Valley ni gucungireirie maundu matiganite, momwe mari hathara iria itungite andu aria maikaraga hakuhi na ndia ici. Ataramu makoretwo makiuga ati kuri na uhotekeku wa ndia cia Bogoria na Baringo kunyitana, undu uria ungikinya ni ukuhanika waya gukorwo uri ugwati munene kuri nyamu iria cikaraga maai-ini ma iria ria Baringo riria ni ria maai matheru kuringithanio na maai ma iria ria Bogoria maria ni ma cumbi.
The problem is that this is a saline water. Like Baringo is fresh water. This is on higher side. Like Baringo is on the lower side. This water seems to be going to join with Lake Baringo, and there will be a disaster.
Iria ria Baringo ni ria kiguni kuri makiri ma aikari a guku, makiria ruriri rwa Ichamus aria ni ategi a thamaki na maikaraga gicigirira-ini giki kia Olkokwe. Gukorwo iria riri rikoragwo na maai matheru, aikari ni magunikite na maai ma kuhuthira urimi-ini na kihumo kia muoyo kuri nyamu itiganite iria ikoragwo iria-ini riri.
Ammonia is one of the challenges that we might be faced with. Two is the effect of sentiments. Sentiments, when they get into the fish, especially those are nostrils. That is the nostrils. You know, the sentiments will be able to block.
Kilomita nyinyi kuma iria-ini ria Baringo na iria ria Bogoria riria ni gitumiro kia nyoni muthemba wa flamingo, undu umwe na uthaka wa maai maria matherukaga kuma thi me mahiu, no riu ni makunikitwo ni muiyuro uyu. Iria ria Bogoria rikoragwo na flamingo tu, tondu maai mario ni ma cumbi mugaru na iria ria Baringo. Gukorwo ndia ici ni cihurite gukira githimi, maabitha a thirikari na ataramu a maria maturigiceirie mena ikaya.
Because the species which live in lake water cannot survive, fresh water cannot survive in saline water. Immediate action must be taken to prevent this.
That ecosystem might have to is going to be naturally forced to adjust to the new conditions. We have that concern.
These rivers now they have changed the color. They are very brown. And this brownness, it means there is a lot of silt coming in to these lakes.
Ugwati ungi ni wa ndwiga ici iria cikaraga gicigirira-ini giki. Kuringana na ataramu, maai maya ma ndia ici riu ni marurite.
Fear here is now the two lakes are fresh water. So once this one merges, most likely now the water will not be fresh water.
The waste that was within those pit latrines have been, brought up and resulted in contamination of this water. People getting affected in terms of cholera, in terms of typhoid, and other related waterborne diseases.
Riu, thirikari ni itumite athuthuria mwena uyu niguo kugiriria ugwati wa ndia ici kunyitana.
So like in the case of Bogoria on the other end between the Loboi to Sadai Road, that's an area where we can do some immediate actions, where we can see whether we can raise the road and use it as a dike somehow.
Our assessment did not talk about the geological activities down here or the tectonic activities. But I think it's an area that we need also to see how we can exploit and come up with a detailed report on that.
Ribotera Kameme TV kuma hũgũrũrũ-inĩ cia iria ria Baringo, Njĩta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.